Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho for accounting. First, navigate to the Zoho Books website and sign up for a new account. You can choose from various plans, including a free option for businesses with annual revenue under $50,000. Once registered, you'll access your dashboard, which provides a quick overview of your financial status. This initial setup is crucial for tailoring the software to your specific business needs. Next, let's set up your organization. Go to Settings and update your company profile, including your business name and address. It's vital to set your base currency and tax rates accurately for proper financial calculations. Connecting your bank accounts allows for seamless transaction imports, saving you hours of manual entry. You can also customize your chart of accounts to better categorize your income and expenses, ensuring precise financial tracking. Now, let's manage your income. Zoho Books makes creating and sending professional invoices straightforward. Navigate to the Sales module, select Invoices, and click New Invoice. You can add items, set payment terms, and even include discounts. Once sent, you can easily record payments received, whether by bank transfer, credit card, or cash. For regular clients, set up recurring invoices to automate your billing process, saving time each month. Finally, let's cover expense tracking and reporting. Under the Purchases module, you can add new expenses, attaching receipts for easy record keeping. Categorizing these expenses correctly is crucial for tax preparation. Regularly reconcile your bank statements with Zoho Books to ensure all transactions are accounted for and accurate. The Reports section offers over 50 different financial reports, providing valuable insights into your business's performance, such as your profit and loss statement and balance sheet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.